Hey there, gamers and tech enthusiasts. Are you ready for a monitor that'll take your gaming experience to the next level? I'm here to tell you about the AOC Q27G3XMN 27 QHD, and trust me, this thing is a beast. First off, let's talk about the display. Now, you might be thinking, what's the big deal about VA panels? Well, my friend, this monitor features state-of-the-art mini-LED backlight technology and 336 individual dimming zones that produce true blacks and brighter whites. That means no more washed-out blacks or oversaturated colors, just pure, vibrant visuals. But wait, there's more. The panel resolution is a whopping 2560 by 1440, which might sound like a lot to take in. But let me break it down for you. This means we're talking about pixel density that delivers brilliantly sharp images with the finest details. You'll be able to spot tiny details on your characters' faces, see every thread on an enemy's armor, and experience gaming like never before. Now, let's talk about motion handling, because that's where this monitor really shines. With a lightning-fast 180Hz, overclocked via DP 1.4, refresh rate and rapid 1 millisecond GTG response time, you'll be able to target moving opponents with precision. Imagine yourself in the heat of battle, dodging laser blasts and taking down enemies left and right, all without any ghosting or stuttering. But what about when things get really intense? That's where Adaptive Sync comes in. This tech ensures ultra-smooth, tear-free gameplay for flawless skill shots and stutter-free loading times. You'll be able to focus on the game, not on laggy animation or frozen frames. It's that simple. Now, I know some of you might be thinking about color accuracy. Fear not, friends. The AOC Q27G3XMN boasts an impressive 134% sRGB color gamut and VISA display HDR 1000. That means the visuals are just as stunning on this monitor as they would be on a professional-grade display. You'll see characters come to life with rich details and diverse contrast. It's like you're right there in the game. But here's the thing, all these specs and features don't just sound good on paper. They actually work together to create an experience that's unmatched by most monitors out there. And let me tell you, I've seen some impressive gaming sessions with this baby. It's truly a battle station like no other. So what does it take to win sweet victories? This monitor. Don't just take my word for it. The AOC Q27G3XMN 27 QHD has an amazing rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars, based on over 825 reviews from happy customers. Want to see this magic for yourself? Click the link below to check out the best price and unleash your gaming potential. Can you believe it? This monitor really does deliver.